Have you ever wondered if the way you clean is doing more harm than good? It might be because you're not using the right cleaning product for the job. But you don't have to spend so much on store-bought cleaners. Contrary to popular belief, homemade cleaning products can be just as effective. Ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice are powerful tools in your cleaning arsenal. They tackle a wide range of messes and stains with ease. Let's explore the different ways they help. First, let's discuss baking soda. Baking soda has gentle abrasive properties that's perfect for scrubbing away dirt and grime. It also absorbs bad odors, so you can use them for foul-smelling areas at home. Meanwhile, lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent. It can brighten up stained surfaces, kill bacteria, and remove mold and mildew. Now, how about bleach? Bleach is a powerful disinfectant and stain remover. But use it wisely. It can corrode some surfaces. It can also release toxic fumes if mixed with hot water. Bleach works best with cool or room temperature water. If you need to disinfect surfaces where bleach isn't ideal, try alternatives like hydrogen peroxide or isopropyl alcohol. Last but not least is vinegar. Vinegar is ideal for non-porous surfaces like glass and mirrors. But you should avoid using it on electronic screens and natural materials like stone or hardwood. Not all home cleaning products are created equal. Always choose the right product for each task so you can clean more effectively. Doing so also helps you avoid damaging the surface you're cleaning. But remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a solo endeavor. If you're faced with a mess that you can't clean with homemade solutions, it's time to call professionals like Kung Fu Helper. We're here to assist with all your cleaning needs. Contact us anytime if you need an expert's help at home.